Leveraging Hadoop for ESG data analysis in enterprises. ESG data includes metrics on a company's environmental impact, social responsibility, and governance. Examples include environmental, carbon emissions, energy consumption, water usage, and waste management. Key benefits of Hadoop for ESG analysis. Scalability. Hadoop can store and process vast amounts of ESG data. This includes IoT-generated environmental data and textual governance reports. Its distributed architecture ensures scalability as data volumes grow. Flexibility. Hadoop supports all data types, so it's perfect for diverse ESG datasets. These include video evidence of compliance, text reports, and numerical metrics. Cost effectiveness. Being open source, Hadoop reduces the cost of data analysis compared to proprietary solutions. Its ability to run on commodity hardware also minimizes infrastructure expenses. Use cases of Hadoop in ESG data analysis. Social responsibility assessment. Social responsibility metrics often use unstructured data. This includes employee feedback and social media sentiment. Hadoop can process this data to evaluate a company's social impact. Governance risk analysis. Hadoop can process governance-related data, like compliance reports and board meeting minutes. This will ensure compliance with regulations and spot potential risks. A financial institution can use Hadoop to analyze governance records. It seeks patterns indicating conflicts of interest or fraud. Data diversity. ESG data includes structured, for example, spreadsheets, semi-structured, for example, JSON, and unstructured, for example, videos, formats. Solution. Hadoop supports all data types, making it a versatile choice for ESG analysis. Conclusion. In conclusion, as ESG compliance and sustainability are vital, firms must succeed. So, they must use strong data analysis frameworks. They need to manage and gain value from their ESG efforts. Hadoop can scale, adapt, and save costs.